going?
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna do it slowly.
Woohoo! What is it?
Dinky cars.
Is there anything else in there, Carter?
A poop ton of money.
You gonna get another chocolate, Georgia?
Yes.
Bragging wrong space. No.
Yep.
I'm not gonna do that. She'll probably take it from me.
True.
Oh my gosh. Pour it out. Come on. I can't get it.
I got
I
mine.
don't want to rip any
You just love them
Oh,
chocolate,
yeah.
don't ya?
Hold it up, Carter.
Don't ya?
What's that? Not yet.
I don't want to rip any.
Braden, it's not in there. That.
What happens if there's a rip in the dollar? Is it still useful?
Yes, dear. It's just a little tiny piece of Scotch tape.
Oh no, there's tape on every single piece of it. I knew that.
It is tape.
Just tape.
Oh no, I didn't want to scratch a single piece of it. Oh, there's $100, pretty sure. Oh, look at that.
And there's 20.
We're in 20s, yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you, Dad. Mwah. Gosh, oh my gosh. How much do I have here?
I thought I was going to get about
30,
half of this.
50, 70,
150 bucks.
110.
No, 150.
110 right here. No, I'm still counting. 110.
20, 40, 60, 80,
150
150 bucks.
Dad, you are amazing.
Well, now I got something to put in my wallet.
Oh my
Be right back.
sweet bejeepers. Mwah.
I think they liked it.
I don't know. It's a bit
No.
iffy.
No, we didn't like it.
Bit
We loved
iffy.
it. We loved it.
Yeah, it's true. We didn't like it.
Every kid loves them.
We loved it. I love you, Dad.
I should have dropped the money when I saw it.
What did you think when you opened your gift and saw Dinky Cars?
I thought it was still pretty cool.
Yay!
I didn't care. Whatever my dad gets me is special to me.
Do you see politics in his future?
Hey! I don't even
Alright.
know what politics
It's quite
means.
feasible. But let's not ask what's in his future. What his future is in for him.
Okay, Dr. King.
That's cool. Feel that.
Yeah, I know. I see them all the time at work.
That's cool.
All right.
Mama, look what I found.
Say Merry Christmas to your dad.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Dad, and have a Happy New Year. Dad, I love you.
See Braden's
I know.
I love you.
Merry Christmas.
I love you, Dad. I hope you have a
Okay,
Merry
I'll
Christmas.
stop focusing on
Bye.
this.